In this video, you'll learn how to check the market cap of a token using the Phantom wallet. This process is straightforward and will provide you with valuable information about your selected cryptocurrency. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet on your device. Ensure that you have the application installed and that you are logged into your account. If you encounter a login prompt, enter your credentials to access your wallet. Once the wallet is open, you will see a list of tokens displayed on the main screen. Navigate through this list to find the specific token you want to check. For example, if you're interested in Solana, locate and click on the Solana token icon. After selecting the token, you will be directed to that token's details page. Here, you can find various information related to the token. Scroll down the page until you reach the info section, which is typically positioned below the token's price and trading volume. In the info section, look for the label marked market cap. This will display the current market capitalization of the token you selected. For instance, you might see a value like market cap $49.24 billion, indicating the total market value of that cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that market cap can fluctuate based on market conditions, and it is important to check this information regularly if you are actively trading or investing. Additionally, ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid delays in loading the wallet or token information. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.